It was really good, people. Welcome back. Axtuo is back, and me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything is Gucci. Honda 2023 Hrv. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. I hope everything is good. Alright, I know sometimes we go through some, but you just gotta like keep your head up. Yeah. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Shout outs to from Japan to Taiwan, Indonesia, Greenland, the States, Canada, Venezuela, Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, Germany, India, Russia, Croatia, France, everybody in the building, alright? Yeah, pretty much. I'm not gonna hold you up. Yo, your support go towards better equipment and all that. You know what I'm saying? I get back to the community too. It's only right that I do it right. You know what I'm saying? The other part goes towards buy better equipment so you can have a better view of how to get the job done and all that. You know what I'm saying? More or less, yeah. Shout outs to the subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Viewers, what you're waiting for? Get your subscription. Get your membership, subscribe. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna hold you up. Let me show you this, alright? Get over here. Oh, let's go, let's get it. Yeah. We'll come through over here. You see the goodies? You see the goodies? Over here. There it is. That's how you open the hood, alright? How you open the hood. You see the features? What you think? What you think? You come here in the middle, right above the H. Maybe you see it, maybe not. Lift it. It's a little bit heavy. Boom. There you go. Look at that beauty. Pulse. You're gonna need that kickstand, okay? Because it's not holding by itself. It's not holding by itself. This baby has 3,000 miles. Everything platinum. Kona reservoir. Alternator. O2. Hot. Engine oil cap. Okay. Oil dipstick, that's how you measure the oil, okay? Mount, engine mount. This is the port, lower port and high port. If you need to refill your AC, alright? Watch your fluid reservoir. Yeah. Inside here is the engine oil filter, battery, brake fluid reservoir, fan. Okay, radiator cap, radiator, fan, ABS, fuse bots. Okay, let's go to the bottom. Drain the oil. Pause. Right, you see the bottom. Same old guard, cover, whatever you want to call it. On here, flat screwdriver, the star. Screwdriver or Phillips, whatever you want to call it. Flat, star, flat. We're gonna do that now, alright? I like that. Alright. Flat screwdriver, okay. Flat screwdriver here. Here too. This one right here. Star. If you want to be exact, you're gonna use the PH3. Right? PH3. And this thing should be just like that. Pop. Oil drain plug, filter, not much change. Still same design. Wanna look at the tranny. 17mm socket. Just like that. Careful. Engine hot, oil hot. Alright. Be prepared. Waka waka. What you think about that, Cole? Is it clean? Is it dirty? Hold up. Let me give you a good a goody. What you think about that? No? Yes? Maybe? Should put it over here. No? Yeah? Yeah, wait a minute. Gooch. Look. Pretty much. A lot of people are like, yo, you don't drain all the way the oil, this and that, blah, blah, blah. Come on, man. It's me, man. I do this. I do this for a living. You know what I'm saying? If you want to drain most of the oil, put some diesel in the engine, maybe a quarter, let it idle for a minute, and then that thing is gonna rinse from inside your engine. Okay, but if you don't want to do that because you think the engine is gonna get ruined, then what you can do is drive it around at night before you go to bed, drain the oil, and since the engine is hot, then most of the oil is gonna come out. That's pretty much it. You eat, put this back. Like I said, if you want all the oil out, drain the oil at night, let it drain over the night. First thing in the morning, you're not gonna see oil dripping. What else you want? Now let's do the oil filter. Alright? We're gonna remove the oil filter, okay? This is the original oil filter. You see it right there, right? I want to get oil in my camera. Okay. More coming out. Holes. So more is gonna come in. Maybe that's it. Maybe a little bit more. Wow. Usually it's not. What you gotta do right here is wipe this. Ooh. Put the new oil filter. Drill your oil filter gasket, whatever you call it, O-rings. This thing right here. It's gonna come dry. Just a little bit with some oil. A lot of people are like, yo, don't use the old oil. Use new oil. Like, and there was a debate about that. Like, should you use old oil or new oil or WD-40? I use WD-40 sometimes. Most of the time I use old oil just to look the oil ring. I'm saying it's not the. As long as you tie it by hand, it's all good. I'm saying that's the part number 67356, made by Master Parts. Wait, Parts Master Parts, whatever. Now I want to put the cover back and pour the new oil. Same way you remove, same way you put it back, right? can tell what side goes up or down. See this? This thing is gonna hold the bolt, the Phillips. So this thing gotta go up. Okay. And that should be it. I'll start putting these. I don't tie it though. I tie everything at the end. It's easier. I have to hustle and lose everything again. These are the other guys. These are like. Just put it in there and turn it. That's it. But this one, there's no way you can, adjust it or something like that. I mean, like, just barely do it so you can tighten it later. This thing, you just put it in, turn it, and that's it. Sometimes it's not gonna turn because the plastic. So somehow you have to pull the plastic down and turn it. So good. Oh, okay. There's always a way. Now I can tie this. And we're Gucci. Now, right here at the oil cap, engine oil cap, there's a symbol. Okay. This is the type of oil you're gonna need for this baby. 0W20. That's full synthetic, alright? And that's what we're gonna pour it in here. I'm gonna do first 3.5 quarts full synthetic 0W20. Come on, more or less 3.5 quarts. Alright, pour the oil slowly, okay? Or yeah, you don't want the oil to overflow right there at the bottom, okay? Then you're gonna make a mess on your brand new engine. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do 3.5 quarts first, 3.5. Alright, because these new engines are like, Subaru is doing the same thing too. Japanese engines are like, they doing it and more compression, you know what I'm saying? Different type of power. I'm gonna let it run for a minute while I check the fluids. Okay, I'll pour it. Let's make it 4 quarts, alright? Let's make it 4 quarts. I did let the engine idle for a minute. That should be it. 4 quarts, right at the money. Alright, it's right here, right at this line. You see it, right? Okay, now we're done with this. 4 quarts synthetic 0W20. Put that back, close the hood. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Come on. Alright, let me show you this baby. Powering. Right. Sorry if the AC is too high. It's kind of hot in here. 3,000 miles, like I say. Alright, so the car is running now, right? Oil life reset. You press home. This is home, okay. Scroll to the right. Vehicle settings. Click on that. Now look at this. Scroll to the right. Now you see that. Maintenance info. Click on that. Engine oil, 30%. Select reset items. Click on that. All do items, okay? Because you could just do engine oil, tire rotation, air filters, transmission oil, spark plugs, engine coolant, all-wheel drive oil, brake fluid. Oh, it comes set up like that already. That's nice. That's nice. You don't see all that with the previous cars. But Honda, okay, I see what you're doing. You go over there, all do items. Okay, that's nice. Maintenance info information has been reset. That's it. Okay. Now right there, you'll see that oil life 100%. Alright. And that's how you reset the oil life and do the oil change. You know what I'm saying? I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for support. Thank you for contribute to the channel. Thanks for the love. Alright. Shout outs to everybody in the building from Japan to Tokyo. You heard that? From Japan to Tokyo. That's in the same country. Okay. From Philippines to Taiwan. How's that? Alright. France, Germany, Italy. I'm saying Peru, Brazil, Argentina. The States, Canada, Greenland. Did I say India? Spain, UK. Alright. I'm gonna live right here. Okay. Also, you wanna contribute more to the channel? Right here, there's right here, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on that, go through it, show your love. And I'm saying, I'm clacking now. Axtuo, it's me. Holla at your boy, alright? Yeah. Hey, before I forget, anything that happens with this car, if you own it or lease it or whatever, I'm saying, put it in the comment box. Let me know. Fill me in with anything that happens to this car, because it looks like it do the thing. You know what I'm saying? It do the thing. But everybody in this channel, the community, is gonna appreciate it. You know what I'm saying, because then you open doors. Like if you say, "Oh, this car, do this, do that," and I'm saying the people gonna see that and they're probably gonna buy it or lease it. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I live right here. Holla at your boys too.